Right now, I would like to unbox Star Patio Fire Pit. And yes, guys, this is actually your indoor fire pit, and I feel like it makes a perfect addition to anyone's household. And yes, guys, this is actually an instructional manual right here, which is the first thing that I see. And also, guys, let's see how it looks. So yes, guys, it's definitely very well packaged, and I would say it's quite heavy, so it makes it very sturdy, which is a great thing. And let's see what else is in there. There is basically fire extinguisher, right? So you can just put it down when you're done with your pit. And right here is your glass cover. So I mean, logically, I feel like it is very easy to put together, so I'm not going to look at the instructional manual just yet. All right, so let's see. Okay, so yes, guys, there is a caution sign. And here is your insert. Look how glamorous it looks, and definitely very beautiful. And I feel like everyone would be able to appreciate such a beautiful addition in their household. All right. And yes, guys, there is a wick inside, and you're supposed to pour ethanol in there. And yes, so basically it's again, here's the name, Star Patio, and you just put this on top, and then you put the glass protector. And yes, guys, then you light it up and enjoy it for an hour. Yes, guys, it actually lasts for an hour, which is great. And also, guys, I feel like it might be a good idea to make s'mores, right? I mean, definitely in this weather, when it's already started to get a little colder, right? So definitely, guys, make sure to check it